Is this corrosion? I don't know what that is. I don't think it was like that before though. But essentially I've got a wet and dry here, 320, 600 and 1200. I've put a 600 one on here and I've managed to trap it inside here. And the reason why I'm doing it down here and going to rub it against it rather than the other way around, which I may end up doing anyway, is because someone on the Gaggia Classic Facebook group said that it's actually best do it on a flat surface essentially, because you don't want this to be uneven. But I can't really see how it would be that uneven anyway, because this is so fine, unlikely to be really digging and creating a big slope on it. So